So we're going to be doing this activity called bricks and mortar. And bricks and mortar is a strategy. It helps us build sentences. So bricks are words like ultraviolet, wavelength, electromagnetic spectrum. Those are our content words. Those are our foundational words. But then we use mortar words that are connecting words. So words like the, while, is caused by, different, than, similar, however, show. So these are not like our big science words. These are the words we use to connect and make sentences with these other brick words. So we've got our bricks, the red ones, and then our mortars, the gray. That's like the glue that holds the bricks together. Here's an example of some brick words: ultraviolet, wavelength, and electromagnetic spectrum. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to use them in sentences with mortar words. So first I've got ultraviolet waves are produced by the sun and can cause sunburn. So I've got my brick word ultraviolet, and then the rest of my sentence is kind of like my connecting words to make it a sentence. And it makes sense, right? I'm saying ultraviolet waves are produced by the sun and they can cause sunburn. And I'm going to call that a 1-point sentence because I have one of my brick words in it. Here I have a 2-point sentence because I have 2 brick words in it. Ultraviolet waves are produced by the sun and are only one type of wave in the electromagnetic spectrum. I've got 2 brick words and the rest are my connecting mortar words for this sentence. And my last one, I tried to get all 3 of these words into the same sentence. Ultraviolet waves are one type of a wave in the electromagnetic spectrum, have a shorter wavelength than visible light. So I'm calling that a 3-point sentence because I have all 3 of my brick words in it. We're going to do this together in a Google Doc. And I'm going to paste a link in the chat so you can open the Google Doc in just a second. But you're going to have these 5 brick words: visible light, wavelength, electromagnetic spectrum, Roy G. Biv, and crest. So you'll type your sentences into the Google Doc. Just take a moment to think before you type. There's no rush. And practice reading the sentences out loud to yourself. I'll make sure you guys are on mute because you might share out at the end. You can find your name. We've got some absent kids, but you'll type your sentence or sentences into the row where you see your name. If you scroll to the second page, I did include a vocabulary list if you need help with remembering what the words mean.